Hi guys, it's Rosario, and today I'm so excited because I want to talk to you about the 3-day refresh. And I'm just gonna say this is a great tool if you just came back from a trip like I just did, and I'm going to another trip, so I want to stay at top shape. So the best way that I found to do this is through my 3-day reset or refresh. So I just got my box from Beachbody and it looks like this. It's a little packet with everything you need for your 3-day refresh. And it comes with this program guide. This program guide will take you through everything you need to get the most benefits out of it. It tells you breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. And so it's great because it's really easy to follow. This is my second time that I do it. Last time I lost 4 pounds and 1.5 inches off my waist, and I'm expecting similar results this round. Lots of water. I do about a gallon and a little bit more, and that's exactly what I recommend for you. Coffee is allowed, or tea, herbal tea. Coffee, preferably if it's black. So avoid any additions to it, just black if you're gonna have your coffee. Exercise is recommended, nothing too crazy, nothing too hardcore, but moderate exercise is just fine. And like I said, tons of water. And this packet you're gonna get separated by day 1, day 2, day 3, these little packets. And so you're gonna get the Manila Fresh, you're gonna get 2 of them. They're awesome, they taste like a milkshake. And the fiber. So all of these things will help you refresh your system. And if you just follow the program guide, and that's all you need basically for your 3-day refresh. And I'm looking forward to start my little 3-day refresh and let you know about my results. I'm really excited, and I hope you join me on my next round.